happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come and more viewers. Paano dumami ang pera natin? Yes. Okay, are you happy? Nagbinati na kita? So, may bayad yan. Alam mo na. Bye-bye!
Hi! Happy birthday, Angeline! Ayan, I'm so grateful for the wonderful moments we've shared and look forward for creating many more. May your day be as amazing as you are and filled with everything you love. Thank you for being a supporter. Wishing you a birthday as fantastic as you are. And cheers! Cheers for another year of fun and fabulousness. Keep believing in yourself and chasing your dreams. Once more, happy birthday! Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Angeline. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Angge! Angge! Ayan yung si Angeline, yan yung katim ko ng tatlong team. Diba? So solid tayong dalawa eh, kasi sa lahat ng team magkasama tayo. You know, kailan lang kita na-meet pero ang gaan ng love ko sa'yo and kasi siguro dahil may baby ka, ganun, isang bata-bata mo pa. But, basta tuloy-tuloy ka lang sa pagre-reels. Marami ka na-inspired, diba? Birthday mo. And sana lahat ng mga, alam ko para sa anak mo lahat, masaya ka. Kaya lagi kang mag-iingat, just enjoy lang. Bata ka pa, marami ka pang maaabot. Love you, Angge. Thank you, happy birthday, God bless.
Happy birthday, Sissy Angeline! Many, many more birthdays to come. We wish you abundant happiness, love, and good. And happy birthday! Birthday to you!
Hello, good evening, everyone. This is me, Juliet A. Abezanas, aka Galia Ombre. So, I made this video. It's because it's for the friend's birthday. Birthday po na ni Miss Angeline Centeno. So, this song is dedicated to you, Miss Angeline Centeno. So, sorry kasi mahaba ko yung sobrang busy for today. Ganap. So, ngayon lang ako naka-time na mag-video. So, this is it, pansit. So, So, happy birthday to you sa isang magandang admin ng WFR, Miss Angeline. So, many more birthdays to come and wish na always good health and more blessings to come also. And take care always. Laban lang sa hamon ng buhay ng Metaverse. So, this thing is dedicated to you, girl. So, Cece loves Angeline. So, okay, I can start now. So, today is your birthday, your most special day. You must be happy more than yesterday. Forget all your sorrow, it's time to rejoice. Today is your birthday, your most awaiting day. You can hear the voices of your dearest friends singing your birthday song. Everyone is singing, say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sissy Love. So, hindi na ako magtatagal. So, I have to go now because yung alaga ko nasa taas po at pinapatulog ng mami niya. So, thank you so much and happy birthday again. Bye-bye, God bless.
Hi, Sis Angeline! Happy birthday! On this special day, I pray that God bless you with every good things, with love, with luck, and with joy. Happy birthday once again! Many more birthdays to come. Bye! Hello, Sis Angeline Centeno Capone! Happy birthday sa'yo! Ayan, dahil birthday mo ngayon, magsaya ka hanggat gusto mo. Ayan, sis, wish ko sa araw na to, sa birthday mo, is matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo sa buhay. God bless you and sa buong family mo. Happy birthday sa'yo!
Hello, Sisi!
happy birthday. Enjoy your special day and God bless you more. Love you.
Hello, Sisi Angeline. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best today. More birthdays to come in your life. Enjoy your day.
Hello po. Happy birthday Angeline Capote Centino. So, ilang taon ka na? Charot. So, more birthday to come. Eva healthy life. So, ingat-ingat sa mga pagkain para hindi magkasakit. So, sana maala ng gusto mo o gusto mo mangyari sa buhay mo, matupad mo o makuha mo. Sa pagre-reels, sana maging successful tayong lahat. So, ano bang handa? Pahingin naman ng handa. More birthday to come. Maraming birthday hanggang sa tumanda. So, yun lang. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday and enjoy the foods. Enjoy your day. Yun lang. Thank you. Salamat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sis Angeline Capote Santino. More birthdays to come. God bless you and stay healthy.
Hi, Sis Angie. Good morning. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday to Angeline Centennial. More birthdays to come and God bless you. Enjoy your day. Okay?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yan, happy birthday sa ating mabait na admin ng WFR, Ma'am Angeline. God bless at mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Bye-bye. Gusto ko, happy ka. Mas may parabol pa.
Hi, ito Ma'am Angeline Capote Centino. Ma'am, magandang umaga. Sana'y maligaya ka sa lahat ng oras. Kasama ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay, kapamilya, kapuso, kaibigan, at kasamahan, lalo na sa ating samahan ng #WFR. Para sa iyo, binabati kita, kasama aking pamilya at si Kakampi. Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Ma'am, alam ko, ituloy mo lang pangarap mo, lalo sa ikakabuti ng iyong pamilya, para sa magiging kinabukasan, at sa pagiging content creator mo, ituloy mo lang. Alam ko naman na masipag at masiga ka. Mabuhay ka. Para sa iyo, happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa iyo, Angeline Capote. Wish ko po long life with your family and God bless you always and good health and protection always and also stay pretty. Okay? And yun lang. And coming from Admin Jessa Perez from Supreme Team Supreme. Yan. So, pasensya na po kasi busy po talaga kanina. Kaya may ladder pa po akong kasama. So, yan. Happy birthday po ulit. And God bless you always. Stay strong. And sana mag-success tayo lahat. Okay, sige. Ano pa ba? Yan, sana po ay stay strong po tayo lahat sa Supreme. And also, and bigyan ko pa ng mahabang life. And always ingat po palagi. And yan. And thank you po sa lahat. Thank you sa iyo. Naging kaibigan kita and always humble lang po yun. So, thank you, bye.
Happy birthday, Chong Angeline. Wish ko is maging successful ka sa buhay, matupad mo lahat ng mga pangarap mo, and good health sa'yo at sa pamilya mo. Nandito na kami palagi para sa'yo. Happy birthday. I love you and miss you.
Hi, Sis Angeline. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo is good health and laban lang always. God bless you, Sisi. More birthdays to come. Love you.
Happy birthday, Sisi. Advance happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sis Angeline. More birthday to come and enjoy your day.
Hello, Sisi. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ayan. Ito lang yung mabibigay kong gift sa'yo para sa ito. Itong kantang ito ay para sa'yo. Ito. Go! Ayan. Sana ay malagi kang masaya at good health na Sisi Loves Angeline.
happy birthday kay Sis Angeline Capote Centino. We love you from Team WFR. And of course, this is Ate Vicky. Happy birthday, Sisi. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay, as you blow your candle today, sana lahat ng mga yon matupad ang mga pangarap mo sa buhay this year. Wish ko lang yan lahat sa iyo, Sisi. Happy birthday, Sis Angeline Capote Centino. Enjoy your day, Sisi.